I'm going to cover why you stink, why you have a BO, why your breath stinks in this video, or why maybe your bowel movements stink as well. So this indicates that you have a toxicity issue. As toxins build up in your body, if you have bad underarm smells, if you have bad breath, if you have bad flatulence or farting, or if you have bad smelling bowel movements, this can indicate that you have a buildup of toxins in your body. And so if it's something that you're using deodorants, you're using perfumes to cover up these things, those things won't correct that. And part of what you need to do is you need to do a detox. A lot of people that I see today have toxicity issues, even so bad that their gut health suffers and they end up developing neuropathy, which is what I'm seeing with a lot of these younger women nowadays, is that they typically have poor gut health, poor detoxification systems, which ties into liver, gallbladder function, and it leads to systemic inflammation, which seems like neuropathy, but it's not, because they're not diabetics, they haven't had any surgeries, they may have some autoimmune conditions. And so if you're wanting to get rid of this permanently so that you're not having to use deodorants, you're not having to use perfumes to cover up these smells, then detoxing is one of the best ways that you can do this. Liver detoxes work really well, gut detoxes work really well. It just depends on how severe the BO is and how severe, like your bad breath smells, flatulence, whatever it may be. If you have bad breath, typically you want to look at candida. If you have a white coated tongue, if you have a history of antibiotic uses, this is something that can cause that bad breath. And that bacteria, what it does, they create these sulfuric smells. They create that rotten egg smell. And this is what you typically see in gut problems when patients have stinky flatulence, because they're not breaking down proteins. Proteins have a sulfur component that creates that rotten egg smell. So I'm going to break down each of these individually, but if you like this video, please hit that like button. Follow me for more information on how to do detoxes, how to get rid of that body odor smell, and comment which body part or what type of bad smelling, whether it's your armpits, whether it's your gut, your breath, whatever it may be, how you can address those issues or why they happen, so that you can fix them and not just mash them with certain smells or perfumes or deodorants, whatever it may be. Hopefully this helps, and thank you all for all of your support, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.